Hey everyone, so I just wanted to talk briefly about the folding cases on Amazon for the Samsung Tab S9 Plus that I have here. So there are a bunch of different brands, of course, for these cases, but they're basically just a folding case. So I'm going to put the table off to the side for a moment. This one is, as you can see, is black, and you can see it has these folds here. These are similar to like the Apple branded ones. But this is, of course, for Samsung, and it's from Amazon, not from, of course, Apple. But you open it up, this one actually has some nice soft material in here. It's not just hard plastic, which is very cool. Like over here is plastic. These are, of course, plastic. But the rest of this is a nice softer material, so it shouldn't scratch up your tablet, which is awesome. Of course, you do have a spot here where the S Pen will go. Show that off in just a moment here. And then the back here is just it's a very soft plastic, but it's still plastic. Then this is actually a little bit different type of plastic to the side here. All in all, this is a nice looking, pretty basic case. So of course, to get your tablet on in there, you want to line up this part here with this. And then you just nicely as you can, snap it on in there. And then it is nice and in. And then does not have sleep wake features. As you can see, there's no sleep wake feature on this one, which is a little bit annoying, but you can always just hit that button. Again, this is nice and soft. Underneath it is nice and soft, so it should not scratch up your tablet. It is nice and light. It is nice and thin, doesn't add too much bulk to your tablet. One major thing I do not like about these cases, now some are a little bit different where they will have a spot for your S Pen, but your S Pen will just stick here, and you guys can see it sticks out quite a bit, which would very much annoy me, because I just feel like you're going to lose your S Pen. This thing is magnetic, of course, or whatever. It does attach to your tablet, but it does come off pretty easy. If you hit it too hard, it's going to come off. You might not even notice. That is probably the biggest annoyance with this type of case. Now again, some of them do have a little bit of an extra bit here where you can actually put your S Pen into. And then for a big part of this case is the folding features. So you just kind of fold it on up like so, and you can have it like that, or the way I would do it would be more like this. That way it is just nice and folded, kind of makes like a triangle there, and then you have a very nice viewing angle of your big tablet. Or again, like I just said or just showed, you can also do it this way, and then you have a bit of a different viewing angle. That's a big part of these the tablet cases, of course, is the folding bit of them. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think. I just don't think this part is very well thought out. You're just gonna lose your S Pen, I feel like, especially if you actually bring it out and about in the world, not just around your house. But yeah, y'all let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.